What if I told you putting premium gas in your car might be doing more harm than good? Sounds crazy, right? But that's just one of the many myths that drivers fall for every single day. Myths that are draining your wallet and could slowly wreck your ride. Today, we're busting 7 of the biggest car myths that people still believe. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Stick around, because knowing the truth might just save you thousands. Let's dive in. Myth #1. The human antenna myth. Holding your key fob to your head makes it work farther. Verdict: true. It's weird, it's real, and yes, your head actually boosts the signal. Your body acts like a conductor, helping the signal reach farther. Looks silly, works great, and if you don't want to use your noggin, a water bottle will do the trick too. Myth #2. Premium fuel. Premium performance myth. Premium gas makes all cars run better. Verdict: false. Unless your car was built for premium, you're just burning money. Higher octane doesn't mean more power, it just prevents knock in high-performance engines. In regular cars, it can actually make them run worse. Myth #3. Oil changes every 10,000 miles are fine. Verdict: also false. Yes, synthetic oils in modern engines are tough, but not invincible. Old, dirty oil becomes sludge, and sludge is the enemy. Especially in stop-and-go traffic, you should be changing oil every 500 miles. Highway driver, you've got a little more wiggle room. Quick-fire mini myth break. Let's break it up with a rapid-fire round. Rolling down your windows saves gas. Nope. All motor oils are the same, not even close. Idling saves gas versus shutting off the engine. That's a hard no. We're just getting warmed up. Myth #4. Tires don't matter for fuel economy. Verdict: false. Bad tires, more resistance, more gas burned. Keep them inflated, aligned, and choose the right tread. Cheap tires might save you now, but cost you every mile down the road. Myth #5. Topping off the tank is fine. Verdict: false. Overfilling your gas tank after the pump clicks off, that can destroy your evap system, and those repairs aren't cheap. When it clicks, you're done. Period. Myth #6. Your car needs tune-ups all the time. Verdict: not anymore. Today's cars are smarter than ever. Most tune-ups are now just scheduled maintenance, changing filters, spark plugs, and software updates. Follow your owner's manual, not your uncle's advice from 1992. Myth #7. Gotta warm it up in the cold. Verdict: outdated. Modern engines are ready to go within 30-60 seconds. Long warm-ups waste gas and do more harm than good. Just start it, drive gently, and warm the cabin as you go. Every myth we busted today could have cost you time, money, or even your car's health. But now, you're one step closer to mastering your car and keeping more cash in your pocket. If you found this helpful, imagine what else you could learn with us. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with your car-savvy or car-clueless friends. Let's build smarter drivers and wealthier ones, one repair at a time.